Underrated ng mga facial wash na to. Ito yung biased ko now. Cleanser that does the job. Deep cleansing, clears out your pores para hindi ka magkaroon ng pimples, light and dark spots, even out your skin tone. Guys, may sensitive skin ka. This one is formulated with low pH level and pwede sa lactating, pregnant, acne-prone, sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin myself. This is Fairy Skin's Glow Booster Cleansing Gel. I'm having a few breakouts kasi magkakaroon na ako ng period. But this one, guys, parang feeling ko baby skin ako uli. Yung mga small bumps ko, guys, nawala siya. Di ko recommend, pero minsan kapag nakakalimutan ko na magtanggal ng makeup, dumediretso na ako mag-cleanser. Okay pa naman ako the next day. Di pa ako nagkakaroon ng breakouts. Maybe that is a testament that this is really deep cleansing. Alam niyo na kapag hangover ganyan. This is so mild na pwede siya sa lahat ng skin type, guys.